Hey guys, it's Miss Bunks again, and I am back with your arts and crafts. So, you're going to get the chance to create either a lion or a giraffe. And I am going to post this video from Jugnu Kids giving you a tutorial on how to create a lion. And I will also post another video giving you a tutorial on how to create a giraffe. Okay? All right, so of course for this activity, if you look at the picture provided, of course you will need a paper plate, brown construction paper, um, orange construction paper, of course to match the face, wiggly eyes, but if you don't want to purchase those, of course you can always draw them on there. So let's get started. Oh, and yes, you will need some scissors, you will need glue. We'll need crayons and markers as well. So of course you're gonna cut your ears out. Now they use paint, but you can use crayon, an orange crayon or a yellow crayon. But if you want to get paint, you can. And you can also cut out the ears on the same color construction paper, so you won't have to paint those and wait for everything to dry. See, she drew her nose on there and painted it, which is cute. But like I said, you can always draw it on there, or you can use construction paper in the shape of an oval and draw the nose and the mouth on there. This is so cute. I love this. So that was very simple, not hard at all. So if you choose to do a lion, do your best.